I appreciate you. You're waiting so long, and my staff, teaching staff, is also there. So definitely इंतजार करना तो बनता है. आज हम आपका celebration कर रहे हैं, womanhood को celebrate कर रहे हैं. So it is mandatory sometime to sit for a while. So good afternoon again to all the distinguished guests, respected colleagues, dear our esteemed guests. Today, as we gather to celebrate Women's Day, we are not just marking a day on the calendar, we are celebrating the strength, wisdom, and transformative power of women in society. It is a matter of great pride and privilege to welcome our esteemed panelists today. These remarkable women are not only successful in their respective fields, but they also stand as living examples of courage, dedication, and leadership. Their journey reflects determination through challenges, belief in their dreams, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. So, for many young girls and women watching today, these inspiring personalities represent something very powerful. The possibility that dream can be turned into reality with skill, determination, and confidence. As an educator, we believe that empowerment begins with knowledge, opportunities, and inspiration. And conversations like today's panel discussion play a vital role in shaping, breaking stereotypes, and encouraging the next generation to believe in their potential. Our panelists today are not just achievers, they are role models who are lighting the path for many others to follow. Their experiences, insights, and stories will surely motivate to all of us to think bigger, work harder, and support the growth of women in every sphere of life. On behalf of the institution, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all our distinguished guests. We are surely honored by your presence and we look forward to an enrichment and inspiring discussion. Let us celebrate not only the achievements of women, but also the limitless possibilities that arise when women are empowered. Thank you, and let us begin this inspiration conversation. So today, our panel discussion will explore important aspects such as education, career growth, leadership, safety, social change, and mental well-being of women. Through the experiences and insights of our esteemed panelists, we hope to inspire young minds and encourage meaningful conversation about empowering women in the society. But I am going to close up with few lines, and that is written by me in Hindi. And that poem I have to dedicate it to all the women. नारी है शक्ति, नारी है मान, नारी है शक्ति, नारी है मान, होने दो उसके अधूरे सपनों को साकार, दो हिम्मत कि करे वो महान काम और दे समाज को एक नई पहचान, और दे समाज को एक नई पहचान। शिक्षा के पथ पर चलने दो उसे आगे, तो ही तो पहचान पाएगी वो खुद की पहचान और करेगी समाज की उन्नति में भी अपना योगदान, और करेगी समाज की उन्नति में भी अपना योगदान। बढ़ने दो उसे, करने दो अपने सपने पूरे, सपनों से ही तो होगी इस दुनिया में उसकी ऊंची उड़ान, सपनों से ही तो उसकी होगी ऊंची उड़ान। उड़ाने ऊंची भरो ए नारी, उड़ाने ऊंची भरो ए नारी, समाज के बंधनों से करो खुद को मुक्त और इन समाज के ठेकेदारों से करो खुद को आजाद। तुम ही तो जगत जननी हो, समाज की तुम ही से पहचान, रुको ना डिगो ना, करो खुद को बलवान, और है समाज की तुम ही से पहचान, है समाज की तुम ही से पहचान। नारी है शक्ति, नारी है मान, होने दो उसके अधूरे सपनों को साकार, दो हिम्मत कि करे वो महान काम और दे समाज में एक नई पहचान, और दे समाज में एक नई पहचान। थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन।
है न थकती है, न झुकती है न रुकती है, न थमती है न थकती है।
सपनों के पंख हैं, साहस की उड़ान है। सपनों के पंख हैं, साहस की उड़ान है। साथ खुला आसमान है,